Good morning, everybody. So, we start with the global market news update today. Global markets have been on edge and stock, in particular, badly bruised after softer than expected US data out this week reignited concern that the growth outlook of the world's largest economy was less rosy than earlier thought, and the labor market could be slowing more sharply than expected. The dollar dipped on Thursday as traders ramped up bets for a supersized rate cut from the Federal Reserve later this month, with the yen a notable outperformer on safe haven demand as concern over the US economy's growth outlook resurfaced. Oil steady as investor wait weak demand, potential delay on OPEC plus output hike. Gold hits 2-week low as trader expect a smaller US Fed rate cut. 2-year Treasury yield fall as investor fret over economic outlook. Now coming to the Indian market, Nifty closed around negative 81 point, that is around negative 0.32%. And today's support level would be around 25,108 followed by 25,065. And the resistance level would be around 25,322 followed by 25,365. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around negative 288 point, that is around negative 0.56%. And today's support level would be around 5859 followed by 5669. And the resistance level would be around 51,879 followed by 52,069. Now coming to the mid cap closed around negative 74 point, that is around negative 0.13%. And today's support level would be around 58,803 followed by 58,660. And the resistance level would be around 59,583 followed by 59,688. Now coming to the small cap closed around negative 4 point, that is around 0.02% negative. And today's support level would be around 19,197 followed by 19,151. And the resistance level would be around 19,502 followed by 19,543. Now coming to the sectoral update, we can see a good buying opportunity in rating sector, information technology sector, alcohol sector, agriculture sector, telecom sector, healthcare sector, FMCG sector, chemical sector, consumer durable sector. And top deliveries we see in shipbuilding sector, chemical sector, and healthcare sector, textile sector, paper sector, iron and steel sector, plastic product sector. Now coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And performance review so far is large cap performed till now 5.96%, auto sector performed around 2.97%, private bank performed around negative 3.34%, Tata Group performed around 4.31%, and financial services stock basket performed around 4.68%.